All right, y'all. For all you people all you box fans, we got something special for you today. I think this one is super clean. Might be the best one that we've had, but we're gonna see. We got 1985 Chevrolet Caprice, 2-door box, brand new paint, super clean car. You see it's beautiful white, but I'm gonna tell you where this car really truly shines. One owner car. So super dope. As you can see, we put a set of 22-inch chromes all the way around it. I'm gonna just keep on moving down the car. Again, body lines look great. We're gonna look at the roof. Roof looks solid. No cracks, no hood damage or anything like that. Glass looks solid, no cracks there. Rear quarter glass in good shape. Got a little bit of I don't know what this is. It looks like old leftover paint because it's not cracked all the way down. But anyway, moving on down. The rear quarter panel looks solid. As we look down it, I don't see any waves, any dents or anything like that. Rear glass looks phenomenal. No scratches, no cracks. And then our hood looks good. I'm sorry, our trunk. Keep saying hood. Our trunk looks good. As we back up, trim rings around the tail lights look great. Bumper looks beautiful. No rust, no dents, no cracks. And then we're gonna look down the driver's side. Again, lined up beautiful. If you guys been following us, you see I'm shooting in a different spot. It's just because we got cars back there now on the actual picture spot. So I just wanted to get these rolling because I know how these boxes go. People be calling crazy for them all the time. Paint job is pretty solid. Not gonna say it's perfect. You got a couple little spots around here where we got a couple little runs, a couple little bubbling right around the circles, like the indented spots. Front fender again, no cracks, no waves. Body definitely looks great. And then as we look at the windshield again, no cracks or anything. Coming to the front of the car, hood appears to be properly aligned. Front grille looks great. And our front bumper has no cracks, no rust, and no pitting beginning. Let me pop the hood. Underneath is all stock 5.0. Got that 305 in there. AC does blow cold. All stock underneath. Let's go ahead and pop this. Nice clean trunk. Appears to have all the factory like carpet lining in that. Trunk pans look solid, which we'll look at underneath once we get it on the rack, of course. But looks great under here for sure. Old school donut, you can't do nothing with. Let's check out the interior. Interior is probably my favorite part. I think the white and blue always hits. In this case, interior looks flawless. OG cloth, no rips, no tears, no stains, no sagging of the headliner. We got a couple little spots actually right up towards the front, but very minor. Passenger seat looks beautiful, no discoloring of any. Carpet looks good. And then as we look at this door panel, again, it looks great, like it's new, but I know again it's because it's a one owner car that's been maintained, but no discoloration, no rips. And then our dash looks great with no cracks or warps. Let's get on over to the driver's side. Same thing, driver door panel looks great. No warping, no rips, no stains. Like I said, interior looks phenomenal. So give me a second. All right, so we can get started on the test drive in the box. It's a cold start. Mileage reads 58,742. Again, single owner vehicle. Lights are on. I can see them in the dash and up front. Left turn, right turn. Let's see, interior lights came on. Horn good. Windows are manual, we'll check that. Radio good. AC good. Man, I love this car. Like I said, it's just super clean. And one way you can always tell in these boxes is this little like brushed aluminum look, how clean it looks. It's not faded, it's not scratched up, just super clean. And that lighter, I know for 100% is gonna work because it went in way too smooth. We'll see if everything else comes up. It's reading a full tank of gas. Look at that, beautiful. Something that don't matter, but man, it's just, again, super clean. This is one of them ones I wouldn't change a thing about. If I was in the boxes, I'd probably get my windows tinted and just ride. Get a sound system for sure, but I'll make sure I hide the sound system somewhere so it doesn't take out the stock look. 22s on here. We put 22s on a bunch of boxes so we know it's not gonna mess up suspension, it's not gonna rub, so we should be perfectly fine. Let this truck go by first. Throttle feels good, it's instant. Obviously this thing ain't got no type of power, but no hesitancy or anything, so that's a plus. Alignment feels solid. My hands, let me get in line. My hands are off and we're tracking straight, and I am on the brakes and no pull either way, so we're good there. Motor sounds nice and quiet. I don't hear any exhaust leaks. No belt whining or anything like that. Again, steering appears to be pretty straight. Got about that much dead, not too much, but I will point out, nice and solid as well. No up and down movement in the column. This thing is floating. You guys can tell. Suspension is solid, not overly stiff and not super bouncy either, if you can tell by the camera. A little bit of a rub there, but that's because there's a little bit of a dip there, so once we go down and then come up, you'll catch a little bit of a rub, but that's because of the road. Transmission feels smooth. Shifts have been nice. Nothing to complain about there. And interior sounds nice and solid. I don't hear any creaking from the dash. Windows are not shaking in the doors, and the weather seal still feels solid. So I'm gonna get back and throw her on the rack, and we will check out underneath. So we got the box up on the rack. The rear bumper looks solid again, no dents, no rust, looks super clean. Getting underneath the car, no coating to hide anything, definitely looks solid. You got your normal surface rust that you expect, but no soft spots or anything. Gas tank looks good, no signs of leaks. Factory tempo rear end, drums in the rear, all suspension appears to be stock. At some point in time, the muffler was probably replaced. I can just tell by the the newer look of it. Rolling down, frame is nice and straight. Factory cat still on the car. And floors look phenomenal. No surface rust, no soft spots, nothing. Looks great. Just came off the test drive. No signs of anything leaking, no liquids on the trans or oil pan. Disc brakes up in the front. And we just gonna keep moving. Sorry, I gotta get under here. I ain't raised this up enough, so I'm all bent down. Super clean underneath. Front bumper, you can see the chrome looks great. Moving along to the passenger side. Again, wheels are new at all four corners, so we won't show those again. Moving on down, frame looks nice and straight, and all the cladding on here looks solid as well. Did a decent job with the respray too, because normally you'll see some runs towards the bottom. I haven't seen anything yet. Wheel wells look solid, and frame and cladding is good on here as well. Let's see. Yeah, this is just dirt from when we were driving. All right, if you guys interested in this box, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.